Here's some Druid beliefs trivia. Subscribe. What type of spirits do Druids revere? Is it A, dark spirits, B, ghostly spirits, C, celestial spirits, or D, nature spirits? The correct answer is D, nature spirits. What is the primary ritual site for Druids? Is it A, Celtic temples, B, stone circles, C, standing stones, or D, pagan festivals? The correct answer is B, stone circles. Which animal is often seen as a Druidic symbol? Is it A, snake, B, deer, C, eagle, or D, bear? The correct answer is bear. Which rite involves the blessing of animals? Is it A, baptism ceremony, B, wedding rite, C, harvest festival, or D, animal rite? The correct answer is D, animal rite. What does the term sacred grove mean? Is it A, ancient ruin, B, enchanted meadow, C, holy woodland, or D, forbidden forest? The correct answer is C, holy woodland. In Druidic tradition, what is the significance of mistletoe? Is it A, seasonal decor, B, fertility symbol, C, sacrificial offering, or D, cures and protection? The correct answer is D, cures and protection. What type of magic is often associated with Druids? Is it A, nature magic, B, dark magic, C, fire magic, or D, illusion magic? The correct answer is A, nature magic. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.